At SMT, we focus on the monitoring and detection of issues that may impact a building's longevity and for analysis purposes to learn more about the building. We approached the Capstone team to investigate the possibility of creating a more interactive approach to visualize the collected data from our system.
Introducing Maps, an alternative method to view sensor data. With our desktop app, we can walk in a replica of the building and get sensor data. Opening the UI, we can get data for moisture, building strain, and temperature in the wood. As well as search for other sensors and switch the floors.
The mobile application readily views all sensors associated with a particular building. Here, you can select a sensor from the list and view all its applicable data, both graphical and numerical. The easy-to-use navigation system will also allow you to view a particular sensor's location. Here, you can also view the sensor's graphical data,